Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video I am going to show you how you can transfer your Instagram from your phone to another device. Now this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. So first, let's go ahead and open up Instagram, and from here tap on your profile on the lower right corner. Now from this page, you can tap on the three bars on the top right corner. And from this one, you can scroll to the bottom part and tap on log out. So here, confirm your logout by tapping on log out. Now after that, open up the Instagram on your new device, and here enter your email address or mobile number and then your password, and you should be good to go. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.